Hello, my name is Bryce Tubbs. So I believe in laughing often. Okay, so the reason why it's very important to laugh in your business is because it relieves tension. So oftentimes, in your business, you can end up being stressed out just for random reasons, like not even like things that are negative. For example, I've been stressed out when I received the first time that I did about $2,000 in a day. That was a very stressful day because like, oh, that's crazy. If you do $2,000 in sales every single day, that is $1 million. 1 million, which is a very funny number in itself. But, you know, when you laugh, you relieve tension. It allows you to be able to take a step back and just understand that, there's not that many things that are supposed to be serious in life. At least that's my opinion. If you want to learn how to actually have fun, how to actually manage success so it doesn't stress you out, and learn how to actually laugh in your business and have fun, and have people want to resonate and be magnetized toward you because of your personality and because you're having so much fun, I recommend you go check out the link in the description below. Have a great day, talk to you soon, and see you later.